You're God of the hills and valleys, hills and valleys, God of the hills and valleys, and I am not I've watched my dreams get broken. In you I hope again. No matter what, I know I'm safe inside your hand. Mountains high about my life, to the one who set me there. In the valley I lift my eyes to the one who sees me there. When I'm standing on the mountain, I didn't get there on my own. When I'm walking through the valley, I know I am not alone. You're God of the hills and valleys, hills and valleys, God of the hills and valleys, and I am not alone. Father, you give and take away every joy and every pain.
So here's the thing. I just got surprised by those two, Jen and Hannah. And Hannah I haven't seen in, well, since God was in short trousers, came to visit. So since they just walked in and since that tree is empty and that box is full, they are going to do the deed. The original Elf on the Shelf.
Sebastian. I'm gonna have to keep myself from laughing every time because I just think of Sebastian from the Little Mermaid.
I know, isn't that cute?
Okay, you're gonna have to help me out. I'm tired. I'm lazy. Oh. I launched into the tree right now.
I'm honestly surprised by that. I was like, whoa.
She-Hulk smash. Dude, who taught you how to put garland on?
This is Jen's first Christmas ornament.
So many things I'd like to say.
All right, where's this helicopter of yours? Let me see. You still got the Joker in it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. You guys are doing a very good job. Very pretty.
Oh my god.
Aw,
have this?
because it's yours. It's her ice skate.
I made this to decorate my door because I was being festive and I made a little ice skate out of cardboard and garland.
I think you should go put it back on your door.
I am that person.
Okay, turn around. I want to see it. Isn't that the cutest ever? I think you should go put it back on your door.
I literally made it when I was like
Just after we moved into this house. It's been like 8 years ago.
12.
Yeah, 7.
I think I just put it.
No, it was a long time ago. Today is the 23rd of December. I got woke up about an hour ago to somebody pounding on my front door at the crack of dark 30 in the morning. So I got up, put my robe on, went to the door to see who it was pounding on my door. There was no one there. So minorly freaked out. But was not a nice way to wake up. So yeah, that was my freakish start to my morning. So now I'm going to go make some coffee, and I have to get ready to go down to Ninilchik this morning. But yeah, a little bit of a scary morning. Okay, so now I'm awake. A few hours have passed, and I'm making leftovers and watching a little bit of YouTube while I have some breakfast, getting the laundry done. Then I'm going to pack my laundry and I'm going to get ready to go. And the wind is really blowy out there, so I'm just going to take it slow and easy because that just means that the roads are glazed ice. So that's what I'm going to do. Well, when it rains, it blessed pours. Oh, when all you can do is laugh. That's kind of where I'm at. Friday, our hot water heater had apparently given up the ghost, hosed the entire place downstairs in water. And I was out at the parsonage already, like I am on Fridays, because I'm supposed to be leaving here in about an hour. And so the hot water heater, we had to go buy a new one, install it, clean the mess, did the thing, blah, blah, blah. Thought we were great, right? One disaster during winter, sure, we can roll with that. Except for about 15 minutes ago, the pressure tank just gave way too, and it's brand new. That thing is not even, what, a year and a half, 2 years old, and we no longer have pressure. So Mike is at work. I let him know what was going on, and I don't know how to fix it. I just know that I have no running water. I'm fairly certain the pipes are not frozen. I don't know. I don't know. So I'm going to just pack my things. Mike said to go ahead and go. I'm going to go. And to cheer me up, one of my sweet, precious friends just sent me the picture of the most adorable little girl wearing an angel costume. Oh my gosh. But that was really cute. That was just a peppy pick-me-up I needed at the moment after dealing with that in there. So we'll get it fixed. It'll be okay. It just, maybe things just, it's better if they just happen all in one go. My worry is on the 26th, the day after Christmas, we are throwing our Christmas party. And I chose to do it the day after because Saturday is Christmas Eve. I'm at the church. Sunday, I'm at the church. And I won't have enough time between driving home, make dinner, it just wasn't going to be doable. So I waited until Monday to have our family's Christmas party, and the kids can invite all their friends. And it's a whole lot of fun. There will be a forthcoming video. But we're going to do it on Monday, but I need the water to be running in order for that to happen. So praying that I have running water by Monday and that I can pull this party off and let my kids enjoy it and anybody else who comes. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So I'm going to finish packing and get out of here. Hey, let's add one more thing to this. We're having earthquakes. Go Alaska! Huh. Luckily, it's only a mild one. We've had an earthquake about every other day, it seems like. But I was just sitting here getting ready to go, and all of a sudden, everything just started swaying. I was like, okay, awesome, awesome. This is great. We're fine. House is fine. Well, the tank isn't, but... Oh, man. Yep. Praise God. Thank you, Jesus. It's one of those days. Now I'm going to pack and hopefully not get knocked over. So I'm finally off. The roads are not great, but they're not terrible. The wind is a little much, but I'm still on the North Road end, which is usually colder and nastier than the Ninilchik end. But Mike came home from work early because of the water situation, and he called and got some backup reinforcement help. So I'm hoping that they can figure it out. I can't imagine that it's a frozen pipe, but it would be easier than the alternative, which is that pipe gave way after only being 1.5 years, 2 years old, that tank, or that the well pump itself went out, because right now that well pump and the well head are under about 6 foot of snow. And to get to it is going to be a massive undertaking, which definitely means that my party is canceled. I'm more concerned about the house functioning than I am the party. I can always pick, put it on another day, not a big deal. But hopefully it'll be a nice trip. It's roughly about 2:30 in the afternoon, and as you can probably see from the dimming light, the sun is actually setting. We only got about 3 or 4 hours of sunlight today. The sun came up around noon. But it's already setting, so I plan to travel between 2:30 and 4 because 4 was supposed to be sunset, and I'm like, I don't think so. I think they got it wrong, but it's not a big deal. No big deal. I'll get there. I'll be safe. I'll just drive slow, and I would rather drive slow and get to where I'm going. I know a lot of you in the country are dealing with some pretty nasty winter weather, so make sure that you keep blankets in your car. Keep your cell phone charged up. Keep a spare tire. Do all of the things you have to do to keep yourself safe should you find yourself stranded on the side of the road. Make sure that you have water. Make sure you have a first aid kit. All of those things need to be in your vehicle. If you're in a place that has snow, put extra tires and a shovel in your car. The back of my car has that big yellow thing is a shovel, because if I get stuck, I need to be able to dig myself out. But just make sure you have all the things to keep yourself safe. And up here we don't always have cell phone service depending on where we're at, but if you live closer to a city, you're at least a phone call away from some help. So just please be safe. Whatever you guys do, just please be safe. Be smart about your traveling. If you don't have to leave, don't. However, I have to on Fridays leave. It's part of what I do. So I just have to be really, really careful about it. And then I drive home on Sunday afternoon most of the time. Lately it's been Monday. But just keep yourself safe and don't be out if you don't have to be. But I'm going to continue this drive, and I should arrive there in about 1.5 hours. Well, I think I'm successfully annoying the car right behind me, but I'm not going to drive any faster than I am because, strangely, the further this way I get, the roads are absolutely sheets of ice, and they're gross. So they are sanded for all the good it's doing because the wind is blowing so bad, but these roads are absolute garbage. So, sorry, guy behind me. I'll pull over as soon as I can. That is a sun that is setting 1 hour too soon. I'm hoping the light holds out for at least another 35 minutes so I don't have to drive in the dark. Well, it would appear that the roads cleaned up as soon as I turned off of K Beach back onto Sterling Highway. The roads aren't as bad, thank goodness. I'll take it. And I'll also take that gorgeous sunset. And apparently a cute little tractor rolling down the road in front of me. Better slow down and give him some room. Okay, so I brought the coat to Jeannie, and so she's really happy. She likes the coat and it fit, thank goodness, because she needed it. And I visited with Grandpa Terry for a few minutes, but I am at the Three Bears, and I think I'm gonna go in and get some ice cream if they have my favorite kind, which is the salted caramel, of course. And my other one is like mocha almond fudge, or basically anything that tastes like coffee. So I'm gonna go in and get some ice cream because it's getting really dark, and then I'm gonna go back to the parsonage and unpack. So this is the cutest little store, and these are the ice creams that they have, and then they switch them out and put the thing on the glass. But when they make an ice cream scoop, it is absolutely massive, so you'll get to see that in just a second. And that is what they call a single scoop of ice cream. That thing is massive. Okay, it is freezing cold and I have ice cream. Does this make any sense? No, it does not, because people in Alaska eat more ice cream per capita than anywhere else in the world, and we do it in this environment. Here's to ice cream everywhere. Driving and eating ice cream. Gotta be an art form in there somewhere. Lucy, I'm home. Lucy doesn't live here. Technically, neither do I. Here, I made it. It's cold. I'm good. Now to unpack. Okay, so I made it here safe and sound. I think I'm gonna shorten this vlog and end this here. For the rest of the night, I have to do some studying because I'm teaching a women's Bible study in the morning, and then I have music practice, so I still have to pick the music, which is all Christmas music, which is probably gonna land me at the church a little early in the morning because I'm not very good at playing Christmas music, so I want that extra practice time. And I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this and get ready for tomorrow and my computer. And hopefully I will be able to put forth the second half of a rather cool Bible study on what it is to be a servant. And when we talk about being a servant, we're talking about being a Christian servant. Jesus himself, when he came to earth, everything he did was in the form of servitude. He was the greatest servant and the greatest leader ever, and so the lessons that we will take will come from that. And so there are several markers of what a good servant is. And yeah, let's get started on the other half of that, and I will see you on the next.